Trump's $1.4 trillion Gulf gamble, AI, arms, and alliances in the desert. In a spectacle reminiscent of a Hollywood blockbuster, President Donald Trump embarked on a whirlwind tour of the Gulf, sealing deals that could reshape the geopolitical landscape. From the opulent halls of Abu Dhabi to the strategic corridors of Doha, Trump's journey was marked by a series of high-stakes agreements, each more audacious than the last. UAE, the new Silicon Oasis. Abu Dhabi rolled out the red carpet, quite literally, as Trump announced a staggering $200 billion in new deals with the United Arab Emirates. Central to this partnership is the establishment of a US-UAE AI Acceleration Partnership, a framework poised to catapult the UAE into the upper echelons of artificial intelligence development. The crown jewel of this initiative is a colossal 5GW AI campus in Abu Dhabi, set to be the largest of its kind outside the United States. This facility aims to be a beacon for AI research and development, attracting talent and investment from around the globe. In a move that underscores the deepening tech ties, the UAE secured the importation of 500,000 of Nvidia's most advanced AI chips annually, starting this year. This agreement not only bolsters the UAE's AI ambitions, but also signifies a strategic pivot in U.S. export policy, easing previous restrictions imposed over concerns of technology diversion to China. Boeing's bonanza, Etihad's sky-high investment. Etihad Airways, the UAE's flagship carrier, committed $14.5 billion to acquire 28 Boeing 787 and 7X aircraft, powered by engines from GE Aerospace. This deal not only reinforces the UAE's position as a global aviation hub, but also injects significant capital into the U.S. aerospace industry. Qatar's strategic play, military investments, and diplomatic moves. In Doha, Trump unveiled Qatar's plan to invest $10 billion in the Al Udeid Air Base, the largest U.S. military facility in the Middle East. This investment underscores Qatar's strategic importance and its role as a pivotal ally in the region. Moreover, Qatar Airways announced a monumental agreement to purchase up to 210 Boeing wide-body jets, marking one of the largest aircraft deals in history. These moves signal Qatar's intent to solidify its partnership with the U.S. while expanding its global aviation footprint. Saudi Arabia's $600 billion commitment, a new era of economic cooperation. In a landmark announcement, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman pledged a $600 billion investment in the United States over the next 4 years. This commitment encompasses a wide array of sectors, including energy, defense, and technology. A significant portion of this investment is earmarked for a $142 billion arms deal, the largest defense sales agreement in U.S. history. The deal includes advanced military equipment and services, aiming to bolster Saudi Arabia's defense capabilities and regional security. Syria, from pariah to partner. In a dramatic shift, Trump announced the lifting of long-standing sanctions on Syria, signaling a willingness to normalize relations with the new government led by President Ahmed al-Sharaa. This move comes after Syria's commitment to destroy remaining chemical weapons, cooperate on counterterrorism, and distance itself from Iranian influence. The lifting of sanctions opens the door for Syria's economic recovery and reintegration into the international community, marking a significant departure from previous U.S. policy. Iran, the nuclear tightrope. Trump's Gulf tour also included a renewed push for a nuclear deal with Iran. After reinstating the maximum pressure campaign, Trump extended an olive branch through a letter to Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, initiating new negotiations aimed at curbing Iran's nuclear ambitions. The talks, facilitated by Omani mediators, have been described as constructive, with Iran proposing a three-step plan to reduce uranium enrichment in exchange for access to frozen financial assets and authorization to export oil. The AI arms race, a new frontier. The agreements forged during Trump's tour signify a strategic realignment in the global AI landscape. By granting the UAE expanded access to advanced AI chips and establishing joint data centers, the U.S. is positioning the Gulf as a third power center in the AI race, alongside the United States and China. This shift reflects a broader U.S. strategy to counter China's technological ascendancy by strengthening alliances with Gulf nations eager to diversify their economies and embrace cutting-edge technologies. Trump's Gulf tour represents a high-stakes gamble, intertwining economic interests with geopolitical strategy. The deals struck have the potential to reshape alliances, bolster U.S. industries, and redefine the balance of power in the Middle East. However, the success of this ambitious agenda hinges on the stability of the region, the reliability of partners, and the ability to navigate the complex web of international relations. As the dust settles, the world watches closely to see whether this bold foray into the Gulf will yield lasting dividends or unravel under the weight of its own ambition. What do you think about this letter to the new Pope? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories. See you next time.